Now, Roman numbers. So change the following into Roman and Hindu Arabic. So 18 we have to write in Roman numeral. So how to write? This is 10. 10 and 8. 8 how can we write? V111. This is 8. 18. So then 25. 25 means 10. 10. 5. 10 means x. 10 means x. V means 5. 10, 10, 5, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. Then x means 10, x means 10, 10 plus 10, 20. This is 4 representation. Why? Because this smaller Roman numeral is on right side, left side of a bigger Roman numeral. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Then 20 plus 4 is 24. Then here x means 10, x means 10, x means 10. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 31 representation. Now, so this we have to write in both the systems, Hindu Arabic as well as Roman. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus again 10, that is 30. 30 in Hindu Arabic, then Roman, x, x, x. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. Then 10 plus 2, 12. Then how can we write in Roman? 10 plus 2, 12. Then 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 x and x. Repeated Roman numeral. Then 10 plus 10, 20. This is 4. 24. Just now we discussed. 24 minus 4. That is 20. Then how can you write 20 x and x? Remaining one question is left. That question is here. Then here write the complete counting from 1 to 39. 1 to 39 in the Arabic system, Roman system. Then first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, next 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, remaining you have to do up to 39. 1 is I. 2 means I and I. 3 means I. 4 means 5 minus 1, that is IV. 5 means V. 6 means VI. 7 means VII. This we did. In the textbook also we did. VII. 9 means IX. 10 minus 1, 9. 10 minus 1, 9. Then 10 is x. 11 means 10 plus 1, 11. 12 means 10 plus 2, 2 means 1 plus 1. 10 plus 3 means 1 plus 1 plus 1. And 10, 4 is how? 4 like this. 10 and 5 is how? Like this. 10 and 6 like this. 10 plus 7, 7 is like this. 10 and 8, 8 how? VII. Then 10, 9 is IX. 20 means, then 20 means 20 and 1. Then 20 and 2. 20 and 3. 3 is how much? 20 and 4. 4 is IV. 20 means XX. And 5 means V. So in this way you continue till 39. Okay? Now, what do the following letter represents? Already we discussed this. M means 1000 and V means 5. 5 represents V. Then L means 50 and D means 500. These are the representations in Roman. Okay? Now, brain booster. So, in this brain booster, whatever we did from workbooks. Again we recapitulate in Brain Booster. Again see here. Some questions are given, so write the number names. So 2 questions I am going to do. So A and D. Remaining questions were there. That remaining questions, that is for your homework, home assignment purpose. Here, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 12,458. It is 12,458. 12,458. Now, so here, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is lakhs. One is in lakhs place. This is 1 lakh. 1 lakh 25,000. These two in thousands place. So this is called 25,000. 25,000. Next, one is in hundreds place. 147. 100. 147. 147. So till here, this is our first question. So the given numerals, so we wrote in names. Okay, numerals in names. Next, second, so write the following numbers in expanded form. So we have to write this in expanded form. Then how to write in expanded form and standard form and expanded form we discuss in previous sums. See here, this is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place. This is thousands place. This is 10,000s place. 3 is in 10,000s place. So that is why 30,000. 30,000. 4 is in thousands place. We have to take plus. 4 is in thousands place. So 4,000 plus. 4 is in hundreds place. That is 400 place again. Then 5 is in tens place. 50 plus. 0 is in ones place. If you want to take 0, then otherwise no need to take 0. That is here which so 0. So this is in expanded form. If it is in 10,000 place, you have to take 10,000. If it is in hundreds place, you have to take 100. If it is in tens place, you have to take tens. If it is in hundreds place, then you take in hundreds. Okay. Now here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is lakh. 1 is in lakhs place. That is 1 lakh first. 1 lakh then plus. 2 is in 10,000 place. That is 20,000 plus. 6 is in thousands place. That is 6,000 plus. Then rest of the numerals are 0, hundreds are 0, tens are 0 and hundreds are 0. No need to write that zeros. Leave it. Okay. Now this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 9. First line is in lakhs place. 9 lakhs. Then next, the second line is in 10,000 place. That is 90,000. Then the next is in thousands place. That is 9,000. Then this 9 is in hundreds place. That is 900. Then this 9 is in tens place. 90 plus this 9. Ones place. That is 9. Okay. So in this way we have to write in expanded form. Expanded form. Next one. So this writing figures. The numeral in words given. So we have to write this in names, figures. So in numeral form we have to write 18,000 first, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Here 18,000 in thousands place. Total numbers are given 18,000. 700, 100. Then after that nothing is given. This means zeros we have to take. Zeros we have to take. Now here 37,000 means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 37,000. In thousands place 2 digits we have, so till 10,000 we have to take. 37,000. 37,008. 8 means in ones place we have to take. Remaining there is no tens, there is no hundreds. Hundreds and tens are not given, so we have to take zeros. We have to take zeros in tens and hundreds. Now fill in the blanks with correct numeral. So 12,480, 458. There are how many hundreds? This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. There are 4 hundreds. And how many ones? 8 ones. 8 ones. Then here also ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Then there are how many thousands? 5,000. And how many tens? 8 tens. Then ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. There are dash 10,000s. How many 10,000s? 8 10,000s. And how many ones? 6 ones. 6 ones. 6 ones. 10, 8 10,000s were there in the given numeral. Next, here we have to put this is less than symbol, this is greater than symbol, this is equal, this is equal, this symbol is equal, this is greater than, this is less than. Then so we have to check, we have to keep greater than, less than or equal to in the given boxes. Then first we have to count number of digits. How many digits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. So we start the comparison from 10,000 to ones. So what is there in 10,000's place? 1. So here 3. In 1 and 3, 1 is less. 1 is less. So we have to compare the number with left side to right side number. So this is 10,000, this is 35,000. 10,000 is less. So we have to keep less than symbol in between. 10,145 is less than 35,410. Next, here first we have to count number of digits. How many digits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we start comparison from 10,000's place to ones place. Here 7 is there, here 7 is there, or both are equal. And here 4 is there, and here 4 is there, both are same. Then 5 and 2. In between 5 and 2, 5 is greater. 5 is greater, bigger. Means 74,589 is greater than 74,230. So this is greater than this. Here this is less than this. So we have to compare the second with first. So on the basis of that you use greater than or less than symbols. Now here the next. How many digits were there? First you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of digits. 5 digits were there. So we start comparing from 10,000s to ones. What is there in 10,000? 5. 5. In thousands 4, 4. In hundreds 4, 4. In tens 5, 5. In ones 6, 6. In both total 5 digits are same. So equal to sign will come. Equal. These two are equal. These two are equal. In this way we have to compare and keep greater than, less than or equal to according to the given problem. Okay. If any problem is left, that is your home assignment. Okay. Again here write the given numbers in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing means first we have to take a bigger number. How many numbers are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. So descending means decreasing. It means first we have to take a bigger number. Descending order. Descending order. First, how many digits are there? We have to count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In all 5, 5, 5, 5 digits were there. Then we have to compare from 10,000 to ones. 10,000 to ones. In 10,000 plus 4, 2, 4, 1. In 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 4 is a larger. So these two we have to compare. So in this 4, 4 is there, and after that 6 and 6 is there. Here 2 is there and here 1 is there. It means this is a bigger, this is a second. After 4, 2 will come. This is in third place. This is in fourth place. This is in fourth place. First place 46,256, and the second place 46,175. Then in third place 25,357. In fourth place 13,187. In this way we have to compare and we have to arrange descending order, decreasing order from bigger to smaller. Here, how many numerals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. In this for first we have to check how many digits were there in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In all 5 digits were there. Now we start our comparing from 10,000 to ones place. Now starts from 10,000. 2, 5, 3, 4. In 2, 5, 3, 4, 5 is a larger. This is in first. Then 4 is the second larger. Then 3 is the third larger. This is in fourth larger. This is smaller. This is larger, little bit smaller. This is smaller, and this is smallest. In this way we have to arrange in descending order. Descending means decreasing order we have to arrange. First 54,453. Then after that in second place 48,439. Then in third place 36,457. And in fourth place 21,236. In this way we have to arrange. Now, vice versa, the second question. Ascending order, increasing order. So reverse of this means vice versa, these two questions are. So here we are arranging in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Here we have to arrange in ascending order, increasing order. First we have to take smaller. Then how many numerals are given here? 4 numerals are given. In these 4 numerals, first we have to check which one is the smallest one. For that, number of digits we have to count. Number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In all 5 digits were there. Now we start to compare from where 10,000 place to ones place. Then in 10,000 place 2 is there, 2 is there, 6 is there, and 1. 2, 2, 6, 1, 1 is the smaller. This is the smallest one. Then 2, 2. In this we have 2, 2. So in this first we have to decide which one is the smaller. Here 2, 2 is there. 5 and 3. In between 5 and 3, this is the smallest one. This is second place. This is third place. This is in fourth place. Now, this ascending order. 14,146. Then 23,452. Then 25,186. Then 64,346. This is our ascending order, increasing order. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numerals are here. So in these 4 numerals we have to check how many digits are there first. Number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In all 5 digits are there. So then we start the comparison from 10,000 place to ones place. In 10,000 place 5, 4, 7, 1. 5, 4, 7, 1. 1 is the least. After that 4. Then after that 5. then after that 7. In this order we have to arrange. First, which one is the least? 11,540, and little bit bigger 41,679, and the bigger one, little bit bigger 51,226, and the biggest one 71,567. So in this way we have to arrange in ascending order as well as in descending order. Now write the place value of the digit 4 in the given number. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, digit 4, not 4, digit 4 we have to take. So digit 4, place value of the digit 4, first digit, second digit, third, fourth. This is the fourth digit. This is in thousands place. Thousands place. Here place value, 4 is in thousands place, place value is asking, that is 4,000. 4 is in thousands place, 4,000. Here digit 4 is 5, that is 5,000. In the digit again here 4, 4,000. Here again 5 is there in fourth digit, that is 5,000. That is 5,000. Here digit 4, value of digit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You count from right to left, don't count from left to right. It is a standard form, so we start counting from ones place only, ones, tens, 100, 1,000 like that. So thousands place. Okay, remaining questions you count from right to left and check what is there in the place, and that you have to write. Okay. Now using the given digits to form the smallest and greatest 5-digit number. How many digits? 5-digit number. So number of digits given 5, we have to form 5 digits. No repetition, nothing. Here no repetition is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit number we have to form. Which digit we have to form? 5-digit. How to form 5-digit number? See here. First, we have to take here in the ones place greater. When greater is given, we have to start from smaller. We have to start from smaller number. What is the smaller in these 1? That we take here. And again smaller, which one is smaller? 3. And which one is smaller? 4. And which one is smaller? 5. And which one? So in this way we have to arrange for the greater. For a smallest number, you have to write in reverse order. 1 here, and 3 here, and 4 here, and 5 here, and 8 here. This you will get in smallest. So this is the greatest, and this is the smallest number we can form using the digits. If 0 is not there, this is the method. This is the method to do. But if 0 will come, then how to do? If 0 will come, then how to do? A little small change is there. That change you have to keep in your mind. So when in given digits, if 0 is there, then how to write? First, so we start a smaller number 0. So in this no change, greater 0. Then after that 1. Then after that 2. After that 5. After that 8. In this greater number, no change, nothing. From smaller to greater we have to arrange. But in the smallest one, then how to write? First we have to take a second smaller. Second smallest number is 1. Then after that you take this 0. Then arrange 2, 5, 8. If we keep 0 here in this order, 0, 1, 2, 8, 5, here 0 will come. So then we form only 4-digit number. So that is why when 0 will come, so don't take 0 at the very beginning. If at the very beginning if you take 0, so it means we will form only 4-digit number. But he is asking here 5-digit number. So that is why, so we have to keep here second smallest number. After that you keep 0. And the remaining in the order only you have to take. Then here first we have to take 0, and the second is small greater than that, and 2, and after that 7, and after that 9. Okay, now here 1 first and 0 next. After that 2, 7, 9. In this order we have to arrange. Okay, comma after 3 digits from right to left. Right to left. Remaining questions, whatever left, similar questions, that similar questions you do as a home assignment. Okay. Yes, now students. Now, enrichment activity. So, what is the main aim of this enrichment activity? See here. So, in this, so you should yourself to know how to make a greater number, how to make a smaller number. So, by doing this activity, what is there in this activity? So, what are the things we need? So, what are the material we require? A ball and coins with digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, these digit coins, or otherwise you can prepare a slips also. In that slip you can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, like that. So, in this ball these slips were there, and so you have to divide your class into 5 groups. How many groups? 5 groups. First you select your group, one of your group. So, in that from the groups, ask them to select any 5 or 6 points, that is your wish. So, select any 5 points or 6 points. Suppose I asked to choose any 6 points. If a group select 1 point first, point 1 first, and after that 7 they selected, and after that 3 they selected, and after that 0 they selected, then after that 6 they selected, then after that 2 they selected. In this way they selected 6 points they selected. Suppose we assume that, we think that, so these 6 points one of the group, so in a class they selected. I asked them, by using these points you prepare a smaller number and a greater number. Then how can you prepare? Using these numbers, using this digit, smaller and smallest and greatest. Smallest 6 digit number, 6 digit smaller number and 6 digit greater number. How can we form? Using these numbers. So how can you form a smallest number and how can you form a greater 6 digit number? First, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. 6 digits. In greater also 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Smallest means here, so don't keep 0 at the very beginning. So second smallest number you have to take. What is the second smallest number? 1. And after that you have to take 0. So in this way, so we have to arrange when smallest number he asks. So when you are going to find the smallest number, 1 and 0. After that, so smaller, greater than this one is 2. Greater than 2 is 3. Greater than 3 is, greater than 3 is 6. And greater than 6 is 7. In this way we have to arrange, then you will get this smallest 6 digit number. So, and after that, if I ask greater number, so just you have to arrange the given numbers into descending order. Descending means decreasing. First you have to take a bigger number and smaller than this and smaller than this and smaller than this and smaller than this and smaller than this. So like this, in greater number, no confusion, nothing. In greater number you have to arrange in descending order, decreasing order. But in smallest number, if 0 will come, just you have to take a second smaller number, then after that 0, then ascending order. So we have to arrange in ascending order. This logic is there. So if I ask to select second group to select any 6 points, if they select and they also prepare smallest and greatest 6 digit number. Not only this 6 digit number, you can able to prepare 5 digit numbers, 2 digit numbers, 3 digit numbers and 4 digit number, whatever you can. So this is the activity for know how to make a greater number and smallest number using the digits. Okay.